Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset the keypad on the door for the Mastercraft. This is the Mastercraft garage door opener, and that's the Mastercraft keypad. So in order to reset this keypad, we need to reset this to a factory default, then key in the new pin number, then connect it with the garage door opener. So in the first step, get the small screwdriver and open the screw which is located on the bottom here. So once you loosen this screw, lift the bottom part and push it towards you, and then the top part is just a slide out. Once you get this out, I'll show you the next step. Now we have to take this battery cell out. Now I'm just holding this remote upside down. Keep these two keys, hash and star key, press at the same time, and then we're gonna put this battery back into the controller. Keep holding it. After 5 seconds, you will hear a long beep. This long beep means that this remote, this keypad is reset to factory settings, which is the code 0000. Now we have to program this keypad with the controller. Now in the next step, to change the code on this keypad, press the factory default code 0000, press star, and the new code 5678 star 5678 star. Now the new code is programmed. So 567 code is a new code. Now we have to connect this with the garage door opener. On the opener, press this set button. A P will appear for 30 seconds. Now in the next step, press the new code 5678 and hash sign. You hear a single beep. That means this remote is now connected with the garage door.